Discord is a popular app which was developed for gamers but has evolved into an app for general communication. On Discord, you can use text, video calls and voice calls as a way to connect with others. In this video, we will show you how you can connect your Twitch account with your Discord account. Open the app, and at the main screen, tap on the button at the top. Tap on the icon at the bottom of the screen. This menu shows the different settings related to your account and the Discord app. Tap on Connections. Tap on the Add button at the top of the screen. You will see a list of apps that can be connected with your Discord account. Scroll down and tap on Twitch. You will get a screen asking you to confirm that you want to connect with Twitch. You will also be able to see the things Discord will be able to access after it is connected. Scroll down and tap on Authorize. You will get a page that will confirm that your Twitch account has been connected to Discord. Tap on button at the bottom to go back to Discord. Now, you will see Twitch in Connections on your profile.